Stop wasting money replacing cheap plastic air fryers every year. The best stainless steel air fryers that I'm about to show you cost about 40% more upfront, but last 5 times longer, clean up in seconds, and won't leach chemicals into your food, making them the smartest investment for your kitchen and your health. Links to each product are in the description box below. This stainless steel powerhouse from GE combines air frying capabilities with traditional toaster oven functions, giving you the best of both worlds. The digital control panel makes operation straightforward while displaying the current temperature, a feature many competing models lack. You'll appreciate the convenience of 8 distinct cooking modes that eliminate the need for multiple appliances. The convection mode stands out as a particularly useful feature, circulating hot air throughout the cooking chamber for even results. Whether you're baking cookies or roasting vegetables, this function ensures consistent cooking without hot spots. The temperature range of 180 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provides ample flexibility for virtually any recipe you want to try. Size matters in kitchen appliances, and GE delivers with a generously sized, uncoated stainless steel interior that accommodates large items. You can easily fit 6 bagel halves for breakfast or prepare a full-size 12-inch pizza for dinner. The included accessories, baking pan, rack, and air fry basket, enhance versatility without requiring additional purchases. Cleaning is relatively hassle-free thanks to the removable crumb tray that catches debris and drippings. The stainless steel exterior maintains a modern aesthetic while matching other kitchen appliances. A simple wipe down keeps the outer surface looking pristine, though you'll want to clean the interior regularly to prevent grease buildup. The drop-down door style provides clear access to the cooking chamber, making it easy to check on your food or make adjustments during cooking. For those seeking a comprehensive cooking solution with air frying capability, this GE model deserves serious consideration. Next up on my best stainless steel air fryer list is this space-saving stainless steel powerhouse from Ninja, which transforms your cooking routine with its impressive 8-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, make bagels, dehydrate, and keep food warm all in one sleek appliance. The digital crisp control technology ensures precise temperature management and optimal airflow distribution, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. Counter space is precious in most kitchens, which makes the Ninja's innovative flip-up storage capability a genuine game changer. When you're done cooking, simply flip it up against your backsplash to reclaim 50% of your counter space. This clever design doesn't sacrifice cooking capacity either. The unit can accommodate a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that the air fry function uses up to 75% less fat than traditional deep frying. Your favorite crispy treats become guilt-free indulgences without sacrificing that satisfying crunch. Plus, with 60% faster cooking than conventional ovens and a lightning-fast 60-second preheat, you'll have complete meals ready in as little as 20 minutes. The package includes everything you need to get started: the countertop oven itself, an air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and removable crumb tray. The toast darkness selector ensures your morning bagels and toast come out exactly as you prefer them. While the 3-inch interior height might limit some recipes, the trade-off is worth it for the compact footprint. Next up on my list of stainless steel air fryer reviews, we have the spacious Cucina air fryer oven, which combines advanced infrared heating with true convection for remarkable results. Unlike conventional air fryers, this technology creates a beautiful brown crust while keeping the inside of your food up to 35% more succulent. You'll notice the difference immediately when cooking meats that remain tender and juicy rather than dried out. Counter space is well utilized with this multifunctional powerhouse. The 10-in-1 preset functions include air frying, toasting, baking, broiling, roasting, reheating, warming, slow cooking, and dehydrating. This versatility means you can declutter your kitchen by replacing several appliances with one sleek stainless steel unit. Family meals become easier with the extra large capacity. The Cucina offers 30 to 60% more space than typical air fryers, easily accommodating a whole chicken, 20 wings, or a 12-inch pizza. This makes it perfect for entertaining guests or meal prepping for the week ahead. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate how the air frying function reduces fat by up to 75% compared to deep frying. You can enjoy guilt-free versions of typically unhealthy favorites while still achieving that satisfying crunch. The powerful 1750-watt system with 6 heating elements also cooks food 40% faster than traditional ovens, saving you valuable time. The thoughtful design includes user-friendly digital and analog controls that make operation intuitive, and the included accessories enhance versatility. You'll get an enamel baking tray, wire rack, air fryer basket, and crumb tray. Moving on, if you're looking for a high-end air fryer with an uncoated stainless steel interior, then this elegant Café Couture oven deserves a spot in your kitchen with its versatile cooking capabilities and smart features that make meal preparation a breeze. With a generous capacity that accommodates 12-inch pizzas and 9-inch by 13-inch baking pans, you'll find yourself using your main oven less frequently. Its spacious interior handles everything from quick snacks to impressive party appetizers without breaking a sweat. What sets this appliance apart is its remarkable versatility. You get 14 different cooking modes, including air fry, bake, roast, dehydrate, and even a unique crisp finish feature. This special function can be added to the end of any cooking cycle to perfectly brown, caramelize, or crisp your food, giving restaurant-quality results right on your countertop. Smart connectivity features take this oven to another level. You can control it with voice commands through Google Home or Echo devices, making cooking hands-free when you're multitasking. The Smart HQ app allows you to start, program, and monitor cooking remotely, so you can preheat while still at the grocery store or check cooking progress from another room. Temperature flexibility gives you complete control over your cooking environment. The 6 heating elements distribute heat evenly throughout the cavity, operating anywhere from a gentle 80 degrees Fahrenheit for proofing bread dough to a powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit for air frying crispy foods. This precision means consistent results every time you use it. The thoughtful interface combines intuitive controls with a bright LCD display that clearly shows your selections. It's a statement piece that actually performs as beautifully as it looks, making it worth considering for anyone wanting to elevate their countertop cooking experience. So, what is the best stainless steel air fryer on the market? Overall, considering its reliability, versatility, and value for money, I'd have to say that the Emeril Lagasse XL air fryer is the best stainless steel air fryer for most people. With its impressive 26-quart capacity and stainless steel interior, you can easily prepare food for 4 to 6 people, whether it's rotisserie chicken or a 12-inch pizza. The stainless steel finish adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen while proving durable for daily use. What sets this air fryer apart is its dual-speed fan technology. The 360-degree superheated air circulation creates that perfect golden crispiness without drowning your food in oil. You get that satisfying crunch with significantly less fat, making your favorite fried foods much healthier without sacrificing taste. Beyond just air frying, this Emeril Lagasse model offers incredible cooking versatility. The 25 cooking presets let you handle everything from slow cooking ribs to baking pastries. No need to fire up your main oven or use multiple appliances. This single unit handles defrosting, toasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. The thoughtful design includes elegant French doors that open with a single pull, giving you full access to check on your cooking. An interior light lets you monitor your food without opening the doors and losing heat. Temperature control ranges from 75 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you precise control for any recipe. Operating this air fryer is remarkably straightforward despite its sophisticated capabilities. The digital touchscreen controls make selecting settings simple, while the automatic shutoff feature prevents overcooking. Your toast comes out perfect every time, as the oven shuts off automatically when the toast countdown timer ends, with indicator lights showing cooking status. Okay, so there you have it. Feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video on the best stainless steel air fryers. Links to each product mentioned are in the description below.